Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while. See all you can see. Go all that you can go, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while. Oh, it's been a while. I've been planning and waiting for this. It's been a long while. It's been a while, Macau. Up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow. It's been a while, and it's gonna be a long time again.
So we're gonna go up this little alley right there. It's called Embaixador, which is like Ambassador. So that little tiny little alley. Right now we're on Tercena, but we're gonna go up this little alley, and then there's some artwork, and we're gonna go up towards St. Anthony Street, I believe it's called, and it's kind of near the St. Paul ruins. So let's go through these two buildings right here. Okay, Calçada de Embaixador up on the map right there, so you can see exactly where we are. And we also got some music, so we'll put the music. The lyrics are going up right now. And without further ado, let's just get right into it. By the way, okay, so we're going to be going through those two buildings in a moment. Got some really beautiful lighting. Okay, so let's go up it. Embaixador. Kind of a nice rainy evening too. We got some artwork, and we have all kinds of cool little patios, so we're going to highlight some of those as we go up. So this, first off, we're going to go into one of these little patios. Kind of cool because you also have like little apartments and all kinds of interesting stuff. That building is kind of has some historical value to it. And then this one, there's a bookstore in here. Livraria Wong Yang. Oh, check those little balconies out like that. So that would be where a bookstore would be at, but I guess it's let's just keep on going up our street, Embaixador. But yeah, we have all these little patios, which is kind of interesting. And we just keep going up. We have another patio coming up here too, so we'll see that in a moment. Right in here. So let's go on in here. this particular patio, we'll be able to see where we're going to be going in the near future, which is up there, up the top. So we're going to be going up there shortly. Nice little courtyard though. Some beautiful architecture. Wow. Look at those apartments. Okay, we're gonna keep on going up. And then we have some photogenic item right here. There we go. That looks really nice. It's amazing. Okay. So we are going to keep going up the stairs. So that's where we're going to be going up next. Looks pretty cool though with that artwork like that. Like perfect photo. So photogenic. Okay. So we were looking up, I think we were looking up in this direction when we were in that the last patio, courtyard. Okay. Okay, so we'll just keep on going up. So yeah, this is called Embaixador. I'm trying to get a good view from up above in a moment. So this is called Calçada de Embaixador, which is right here. Calçada de Embaixador. Then this is St. Anthony Street, so we're gonna turn back around. So we're gonna be able to overlook that from above in a moment. There it is. So that was our Calçada de Embaixador right there. So let's just kind of take a look here. So we were just down in this area. So we went down this little place, and then we were also in that courtyard. There's a cat right there too. So I think we actually started, we were down this way, and I think we started down that way. Then we would have came up like this. And then these are some different things right there too. Pretty cool. So that's Embaixador. And I guess we'll end our video right there. With this place in Macau.
See all you can see, do all you can do, be all you can be, go